Hey guys, it's me again. Make sure this is all set here. Check it out. I done scored me a couple of chicken patties. And that's all we're gonna have for supper. I have a bad habit of leaving my coffee right there. These are Mr. Flowers fully cooked chicken patties. Let me shut this light off. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't have my viewfinder on, but that's what we're eating. And as I don't need this bag anymore. Yeah, I was reading the directions. It says a minute and a half in the microwave. But I'm not gonna do it that way. Because it always comes out kinda, rubbery, hard. So then, I'm gonna do this the old, make a pan way. I see Jax is wearing his collar. I am so glad I was worried about that. And it looked like Kurt's mom even liked it, so I must have done something right. I'm just glad they like it. I really am. Nothing pleases me more. Okay. I'll set that in there. Now we're gonna line these up. We're not gonna stack them. I'm just gonna lay them in there. Kinda like that. And just let them cook for like an hour on one side, hour on the next, and it should be good to go. And yeah, I'm back in black. Why do I like black so much? Well, I'm not much for color coordinating. And if everything's all one color, it's just easier. I don't have to think about it. Like what goes with what. So that's why I'm always in black. And besides, my work uniform was all black, so it worked. Electronic technicians are usually in black. So there it is, it's all plugged in, ready to go. So, yeah. I'll get back with you. Well, yeah, let's just set this. Duh. Might want a little bit of a timer. We'll set that. Okay, it's already set for an hour. We'll just let it go. Cool beans. In an hour, we'll flip them over and give them another hour. See, I just got up probably about an hour or two ago. And I'm not quite ready to eat, but yeah, I could eat. So by the time this gets done, I'll be good and hungry. And that'll make me 2 chicken sandwiches. Use up some bread. So that's what's going on today. What else? Not much. Can't think of anything I want to talk about right now, but if I do, I'll be back. So, hang in there. Alright guys, it's been in there for, what, an hour and a half now? So I think I'm going to put it together. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it because I know it's hot enough. I'm sure of it. I flipped them a little while ago. Yeah, I'm getting a little impatient. Okay, what do I need? I want to put this right there. Need some bread. Got bread. Need some ketchup. Already got ketchup. Okay. Let's fix the bread and then we'll get to that. If I can figure out how this thing works. There we go. I always lose these things because I can't see it. Full slices for 2 sandwiches. Yeah, I like to do my bread up kind of tight. Keeps it fresh. Alright, let's fix this up if we can keep the flies off of it. We have these little itty bitty flies. Still not as bad as they used to be. Been killing them right away. But we still get them. They're a pain in the butt because they want to share my food. One time I had so many flies in here they wanted to share my sandwich. So I tore them off a piece. And I put it right by the fly catcher. That caught a few flies. Ain't I evil? You know those dog collars I made? I've only made, what, 3 collars that actually work. The first one I made was for Cuddles. That's the roommate's dog. Oh yeah, these are plenty hot. Hey. It's gonna be warm. 1, 2, 3, wow. Yep, very, very warm. Quite hot. But anyway, Cuddles is a Chihuahua, just a little dog, and she's black. And she used to have a black collar. And I made hers pink and glow in the dark white. Oops, sorry about that. And that was out of self-defense because I couldn't see her at night, even my headlights. Sometimes she'd hide, you know, and then when I get close, she wants to run out in front of the tank. I call it my tank. And I certainly don't want to run her over with that. That thing's heavier than me. Of course, I'm not heavy. So I made her a pink and white one and I gave it to her for Christmas. And I was actually surprised he put it on her. And she seems to like it. If you go to take it off her, she growls and snarls at you. So she must like it. And then I made the two for Trucking with Schmidt. Those were the largest collars I've ever made. Yeah, that, especially Jax's collar, that was a challenge. But it was fun to make. I'm just glad it fits him. Nothing makes me happier. I think it's cool. Anyway, there's my supper. It's gonna be delicious. Chicken sandwich in the Logic. Good stuff. Better than the microwave. So I'm gonna eat. And I'll probably get back with you later. Maybe. We'll see. Ain't much going on today. I mean, it's just another boring day watching YouTube. Do my chores. What else is there? Ain't much else, I'll tell you. But if I find something to do, I'll bring you back. So until then, peace. Well, ain't much happening. So, I think I'm gonna, yeah, ain't nothing going on. So I think I'm gonna leave this video at that. And I will get back with you